And back.
We're not gonna make it up that hill.
We gotta get some speed.
Speed limit. On the list.
Speed limit's 20.
Oh my god, I can't feel my hand.
Keep on my ears, on my toes.
Oh my god.
Oh, the funniest thing.
I don't think we're gonna make it back.
No, we have to.
Up that hill? We couldn't even get up this hill.
I'm not pushing.
Wait. See my house?
It's only where it's cold.
Oh shit. I really can't feel my hands. Like,
I know, I can't
honest to
either.
God. Like, you're not. We're not even like a quarter of the way up. Come on, little guy. You can do it.
I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's not a video.
Yeah. I'm recording like the
Hey, let's go into the school bus.
I know.
Wait, that's like all mud. Do you think we can?
I don't know.
I don't want to get this thing stuck.
No, I wouldn't want to either.
Let's leave the school bus. We'll take her for a ride later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sick. Ugh.
I don't think we'll make it up that hill.
No, not a crack. Where are you going?